Hey, everybody. Y'all know that I love meditating. I think meditating is getting the answers that you ask for when you pray to your higher source. And sometimes when I meditate, I love being in the moment of things. That's being mindful of this moment right now, what's going on, and just listening to the birds as they cackle. I may get a bird that fly close to the window and I hear the feathers flutter. It's a beautiful thing. Or then I may hear the humming of my clock. Or then another sound may kick in. Maybe a car drives by loud, or the music's loud in that moment. So do that today. When you feel overwhelmed, I want you to stop. Center yourself and just listen for the sounds that you hear. Give yourself 60 seconds, right? It'll get you back in where? This moment right here. Because this is the only one that you got. Make it the best one, right? You hear those words? I do. Y'all be good.